Before we begin, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications.
Yo, what's up guys? So today welcome back to another brand new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys every single thing that I use to make my videos. And yeah, if you guys want to buy these products that I'll be showing you guys in this video, so I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below for you. So before we get into this video, please make sure to like this video, and yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So we are starting with the camera/phone that I use to make my videos. So as we all know, that camera is the most important thing for the content creator. Now for that, I use my phone Samsung Galaxy J6 as a camera for my YouTube videos. And yeah, when it comes to camera of this phone, so it is about 13 megapixel rear along with the 8 megapixel front, which is really good according to the lighting condition of my room. So the first reason behind I use phone to record my videos is that I'm not a big YouTuber. Now the second reason is that you shouldn't upgrade your gears that much at the beginning, because this is an only time where YouTubers rise or fall. So now you're done with your video, but what about stability? Because if your video don't have stability, no one would like to watch it further. And yeah, if your content is on the next level but your video shakes all the time, so this would not be great. Now for that, I use 3 tripods to make my video. So first one is the Z01 Gorilla tripod, which is flexible. Now the second one is the black mobile phone tripod where I hook my phone. Now the third tripod I use to make my videos is the silver aluminum tripod, which I use to mount my video light. So now your video quality is great, but when it comes to microphone, so you need a good budget microphone because you want to make your video sounds good. And yeah, for that purpose I use Boya M1 color mic, which not only make your voice great, also it shuts every single background noises around you. And yeah, I have actually unboxed and fully reviewed it on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to watch that video, so I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below for you. So now your video looks good and sounds good, but to add magics to a video to make it even look better, you need a light. Now for that, I use 6 inches dimmable ring light as a main light for my YouTube video, which I hook on the top to let the light hit my face directly. But to balance this light to make my video even better, I use a regular ring light and this white bulb which I hook just right in front of me. So this is how I shoot my videos, and this is how my video setup looks like. It is not so cheap, it is not so expensive, and yeah, most of the equipments are purchased after the 20 subscribers. So that's all for today. Hope you guys like my today's video. If you do, so don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe button. So what you guys think about my video setup? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Wow.